Hello, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Thank you so much, my old subscribers and my new subscribers. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Please, you can click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share this tutorial with your friends, like and comment. So today we are making this simple scrub V-shape neckline, very beautiful style. So you are going to learn how to make this beautiful V neck line. So we are using this small fabric of doll face material to just cut the neckline. So guys, keep on watching if you're interested to know how to make this neckline by yourself. So keep on watching this tutorial to the end. Another way for you to support my channel is for you to watch my tutorials down to the end. Please keep on watching. You can also check other tutorials that we have on my channel so that you can also learn the other styles that we have already. So like I said, if you're interested to know how to cut and sew this beautiful style that we are making today, bring out your fabric. So let's cut this simple style together. So keep on watching, and you can, like I said, you can share it with your friends. Give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and learn from it. So let's get started now with the tutorial. So bring out your own material. Let's get started now.
So this the material that we are using to make this our beautiful neckline, which is scrub V neckline that we are going to make today. So please bring out your material so that we'll get started if you have yours. So now we'll start with our measurement. So let me give it a straight line before getting our length. And if you have your material, the material that we are using today is very small one, and what I'm showing you today is for us to know how to cut this scrub V neckline. So that is my length that I'm having there is 17. So after that we'll start the neckline now. So this is the length of all the material. It's just the front neckline that we are going to make today, just for us to know how to cut this very beautiful style. So that's my neckline. My neck is 3 that I'm giving out, bringing depth. The depth of the neck is 7, so that is the 7, and it's a square neck by the time we are cutting it. So what I'm putting out there now, marking, is 1.5. By the time we open it, it will give you 3. So that is how you get this your neckline that we are making, that is called square V neckline. It's called scrub V neckline. So that is the shoulder line that I'm having there now. So my shoulder that I've marked there is 8, and to get a straight line we'll use our roller to roll it, and on that line, that's where we'll also get our bust measurement. So just keep watching and watch it to the end, please guys. Please also comment and share it to your friends so that they too can learn from it. So that my shoulder slope, my shoulder slope that I'm having there now is 1 inch to slope it down. So just watch every detail, please guys, and subscribe please. And my bust measurement is 38, so that's my 38, adding 1 inch on it for the sewing allowance. So that's what I'm having there now. So come to the downside of it. So I'm just giving out the curve for the armhole side. So coming to the downside of it, that is my waist measurement. My waist measurement is 28 that I'm marking. So that is my 28, and I will also add my sewing allowance on it. So that my sewing allowance that I added, the 2 inch is what I added there. So I will just connect it together, and by the time we connect it together, we'll cut our neckline. Remember, what we are making here is crop V neckline, and you will know how to cut it today. So just keep watching and watch it to the end, please guys. So I want to cut it. Remember what I did at that depth of my neck that I marked is 1.5. So by the time we open it, that is to spread it out, because I will also spread it out for you to see what I'm telling you about. It will not be 3. So this is my shoulder slope that I'm also cutting, and what I'm just doing here is just the front that we are trying to get on this style that we are making. I'm just cutting only the front, and we want to achieve this scrub V neckline that I'm making. Just keep watching and watch it to the end, please guys. So what I'm doing here now is just for you now to have the middle side of it and notch, because that is where we will now fix this our neckline that we are making. So can you see what I've done there? So we now have the center front of it, and remember I notch it, that is the middle side. So just look at what I want to do now. So by the time I will place the neckline, and that is to cut it, I want to fold it and cut, and this is the one that I want to use and cut it out. So let me take it out so that I can cut. So this is the material now that I want to use for the neck. So what I'm marking there is 4. By the time we mark it and get the 4 in two sides, so by the time I want to fold, join it, we will now fold it. It will not be unfold. But this one that I'm marking now is 4. Remember, by the time we mark this 4 and cut and fold it, what will it give us? It will give us 2. So that is what I'm doing there now. And that is 2 sides of it now. That you can use what I've done there. So I will go iron it out. So it will now come out in 2 please. So that is the neck line that we want to use to complete our front scrub V neckline. So I'm not giving it that is the length. It can be surplus, so I want it to be surplus, so by the time we finish we can cut it out, that is trim it out. That is what I want to go and do. So let me iron it and show you the next step that we will do now. So now I've ironed it, and I'm pointing out the middle side that I've notched. That is where you place it. So that I've ironed it, and also use my machine to go and stitch it down so that it will not pull out. And that is the length. The length that I'm having there is more than the neckline, so I just want it that way. So by the time we fix, we can trim it out. So and what I have now is 2 inch. Remember, the width is 2 inch that I make there. So this how you also place. Can you see what I'm doing there? Using my pin to pin it, so you can take it to your machine and pin and sew it. So this how you go about it. So can you see what I've done now? On that place that I notch is where you now start the sewing point. So remember, is 3 on that width for the neck, because we cut it 1.5. By the time we open it, spread it the way you can see me spreading it, it now gave us 3. So by the time we mark our scrub V neckline that I want to use now, this one that I'm showing you is 2, so that it will enter. You can't cut it just 1.5, so it will not enter exactly. So you make it 2. That's why you can see me making it that 2. And this is how you also do it when making yours. So I'm just pinning it for you to see what I will go and do on my machine and finish the sewing. So just do it the way you are seeing me doing, and after sewing you will notch so that it will relax, because without doing that it will not relax on that square side of it. So this is how you go about it when making your own. So you continue with the other side of it, and that is what I'm showing you that I'm doing, pinning it down the way I will go and do it on the machine to sew it. So after pinning the other side of it, you also notch. That is meaning after sewing you notch it so that it will relax, and you will see everything that I've done there now. So let me take it to the machine and go and stitch it and see that it has come out the way we are just explaining it now. So let me finish the pinning down. So I've pinned it. You can see that I've not even sewed it. See the way it came out. So this is how it will be. So let me take the machine and go and stitch now. So now can you see what I've done there? I've finished stitching together, and I've want to stitch notch it now. So this is my notching. Where I'm notching is that side of this plate that give us that square. Without doing that, it will not be relaxed. So just do it the way you are seeing me doing, and after that you iron it. So I will also iron it out now for you to see how it is. So can you see the relax now? That's relaxed very well now. So can you see I've ironed it and I've done it? You can see. So now is to cut it out the remaining side, and that's why I said let me just fix it before using it to cut out. So we are done with the neckline now.
Yes, you can see how beautiful our scrub V-shape neckline came out. Very beautiful. I want you to do yours after watching this video to the end. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe. You can share this tutorial with your friends. Give it a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and learn from it. So these are our scrub V neckline came out. Very beautiful. So keep on watching it so that you can learn how to cut and sew it on your own. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.